Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to set face recognition to unlock your Samsung phone. First, go to the settings and after that to biometrics and security, and here you can see the first option is face recognition. You have to click on that, and here you have several settings for face recognition, like face unlock. You have to choose that if you want to use face recognition, and here you can see several options like faster recognition, which is less secure. A video or image could be recognized as your face, or require open eyes. For added security, only recognize your face when your eyes are open. So here you can see that you have options. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Have a beautiful day. Bye.